Back on the ground again. This is at Groescke or Morton. I've never gotten that road right, unfortunately. Deploying the boats, they're going back in. I was out here last night. They're going back in. Apparently they were wrong. They didn't get everybody. We got another airboat up ahead. Already deployed. I think we got miscommunication problems going on over here, but that should be exciting in a minute. Let's come on up here and see what we can see. Really need to swap hands because I don't do this one this well. Ah, sorry for that. We don't have them coming, anybody coming out just yet that I'm seeing. Got a jet ski coming back out. Looks like I got a single rider though, which is usually a good sign. It means there's nobody else in there. But we got them being deployed right now, so I don't know. That guy right there in the airport just deployed not even 10 minutes ago. He was deploying as I pulled in. We got a problem over here. This guy looks like he's hooked up on something. So he might need to go back some more. Wonder if we could get in there and pick that puppy up. Still a little shallow right there. You can tell it's not very deep. Look at the wide tire. Look at where he's at. You can maybe imagine how much boat's underneath that. Hopefully it's shallow enough draft. He's going to have to get a boost in. He's going to have to get a boost in. I think he's too shallow.
This thing can go on 2 inches.
Will it?
Yeah, even grass.
That's awesome.
We've been running them on the river and down Weatherford to the front.
Oh yeah?
And we've been down here since Sunday getting around.
Man, we appreciate it.
They donated tons of money up there, hotels, food. We just got through unloading that 6-wheel trailer up there with water.
All right, can I get your name?
It's a pickup load of water that just give it.
Right.
You know, people over there and everything, so.
It's an amazing thing. I think that's what's driving everybody crazy now. It's not people so much out sightseeing. We all want to help, but we don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Everywhere I've been up and down for about 3 hours now. But everywhere I go, there's pretty much people are on the ball today.
Yeah.
Like they weren't yesterday, but people are on the ball. I was down here yesterday. It was looking pretty bad. People were having to climb over that wall over there because the way the water. Yeah. Well, the way that wall is over there, that wall is acting as a dam.
Yeah, really.
Look, you got one over there. He's having to use the ladder to get over. They can't get out of the neighborhood.
Golly. We're going to go down there and see what we can do.
Wow. And I talked to a crew.
That motor for that one there, man, it's got a big
pretty,
rotor cam in it, and forward pistons and everything. It's a bad motor. You hear that thing breathing.
Yeah, I know. I was hearing that when I pulled up.
Do what now?
There you have it. Wow, here we go. We're about to get wet. Blow and go, baby, blow and go. He's going up into the. Yeah, baby. Yeah, a little bit. Oh, he's good little. His nickname's Skipper. I inherited him from a Vietnam vet. He died in December.
I don't know.
And I inherited him back in December. He died. He was a Vietnam vet's little comfort dog. He named him Skipper, and I'll tell you what, he's out here skipping over this mud. He's definitely earned his name this last week.
I felt so bad yesterday. We went into this big place down there and got this lady, her 2 dogs, her husband stayed there.
Oh, wow.
Man, water's just going in there on her new hardwood floor.
Oh, my goodness.
Fancy houses.
Oh, my goodness.
We left there and there's 5 ducks, and they were on the highest spot they could find. There's no land anywhere.
Wow.
And it's eerie. There's nobody, nothing moving. Water's real deep. It's a disaster. Millions of dollars. Hear that?
Well, that sounds pretty.
The other one on the other side of here, he just bought this one down in Louisiana. Down there.
Oh, you know I love that with that Texas flag on there, boy. That's pretty.
Yeah, you just got those things printed.
That's pretty.
Flaps on the back of there, and I've been working on that.
That's pretty.
Yeah. Down there 5 days.
What do you normally do? What kind of work?
I'm a truck driver. Actually, I drive for this guy that's got the little beanie cap on.
Right.
He's the boss. Me and him got to be buddies. He come by and wanted to build this motor for him. And I started building it. We got it running and everything. You can hear how it sounds.
Oh, yeah.
He come back and said, I keep you busy down there driving. He sells containers. So
oh, yeah.
we get them from Houston. He sells them out in Lubbock. And I run out in Lubbock.
Awesome.
They're ready to go.
I guess so. Thanks, man. Appreciate talking to you. Good luck. God bless you. Here we go, baby. Once again, down on the ground, Barker-Cypress. And the road sign I can't quite read. Oh, give me that road, baby. This is the northernmost point of Barker-Cypress, or the Addicks Reservoir at this point. I'm going to tell you, I was out here last night, right around 8 o'clock. It looks like it's still rising a little bit to me. I'll tell you right now, if it would be for that wall, it'd probably be higher than where we're at. That wall is acting like a dam. Oh, so it's channeling the water. Oh yeah, look, they're having to use ladders to get over it. So they're probably pretty full on the other side of that because they can't walk out, they can't get out. It might even be more equalized if it wouldn't be for that. Oh, that's what they were doing yesterday. I saw what they. Oh, look.
Yeah, they're evacuating all that equipment.
That deer going crazy over there. My goodness. Yeah, they were evacuating here. I was out here yesterday morning and there wasn't nobody out here. It was just one lone boat. By yesterday afternoon, they were starting to filter in. I think they're bringing them up. I heard some of them were going south to send them to the guys on the other end towards I-10, because it's blocked all the way over to I-10. Yeah, right past that one road where the medical center, the children's hospital is. It's blocked everything up from here, but all the resources were on the other end yesterday. Today today it's a lot better. They're more on the ball. They got a lot more help in here right now. But that's the second time I've seen that jet ski guy come out. And he ain't coming out with anybody, so I don't know. I talked to a crew that was here just until late last night. They couldn't see no more. They said that they had gotten back in there and pretty much everybody was out. So I don't know how much is, yeah. I don't know. I'm sure some people opted to stay and it's not going to be. There's probably no electricity. Once there's no electricity, there's no point in being back there. It's just dangerous. It's been amazing. Yes, sir. I live over there, actually at the at Barker-Cypress in West Little York.
Okay. It wasn't so bad over there.
No, sir. Actually, I've been kind of the high part of an island. I've been watching it hit the perimeter every day. Goodness. I've been hitting that perimeter every day, checking the creeks. I've been able to get down to 290, but you can't go nowhere once you get there. I've been watching this end of the road. I've been cut off
all the way
since Friday.
I went all the way to College Station.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Yeah, down here at the other end, it was the way they had them turning around.
Little back roads, so Katie Hopley, 549, and all that.
Right.
It was still pretty high. I mean, I got lucky.
Yep, they're all going back there now. Yeah, that's the thing. I've been trying to find a place I could help out at. I bring the video cameras in case I can't help it. So far, this is like the least amount of resources I've seen anybody, but I have a feeling they pretty much got most of everybody out back here that wants to come.
Military, the sheriff was on a big hike truck yesterday. Oh, I was out here 6 till dusk.
Yeah, I came out. I was out here about 4 o'clock. Then I had to go do an errand.
I was there a little later.
And then I came back out here just as it was starting to get dark and they were wrapping up. They said some of them are going down to Berry Center. My understanding is they opened up. They've also opened up the Cypress Lone Star College right there, which is cool. They've got generators. It's right next to an EMS training center.
Isn't that where that tornado is?
Yeah, right up. It was just this side of Berry Center. Yeah, it sure was. So I was kind of wondering if anybody would be back over on this end, because like I said, I didn't see anybody trucking anybody out of here yesterday. You know, I just came back. I've been over at West Little York and just past Highway 6, Jamestown, Yorktown colonies.
I recorded.
They've got a lot of people that are back up into there now.
I recorded.
And they're bringing people out. I've been over off of Eldridge, just past West Little York. It's cut off over there, and they're bringing them in. They got military helicopters and
that neighborhood where the post office is,
where the post office and all of that is under, dude. It is gone on both sides of the road too. They were trucking them out in a big truck from the right-hand side of the road up there too, from the west side. So that whole thing over there is just, it's funny because yesterday where I was standing, I took film yesterday, where I was standing is waist deep now.
Waist deep.
But it didn't let up. It just kept coming yesterday.
I thought it was bad on the second day. I couldn't cross over there where the park is.
Oh yeah, it's Psalms?
Yeah.
Well, that's what Psalms is kind of supposed to do, but I was surprised how fast.
Yeah.
Maid Creek.
I thought it was bad then.
This is nuts. Yeah, this is crazy. Well, you know, tax day it was up until 6 to 8 weeks before you could cross Eldridge again.
Yeah, Highway 6. I wonder when they're gonna reopen it. Because Highway 6 is
Highway 6 is gone. Yeah, Clay Road, and from what this thing's got an awesome zoom. I can see all the way down, almost to like the freeway.
Yeah,
and
from you did record Highway 6?
Yeah, from here, and it's nothing but water all the way down. It's all water all the way down.
I rode that. My question is, Highway 6 being so bad, usually people that travel on Highway 6 travel this way.
That's right.
So,
or Eldridge. Oh, and Greenhouse.
Eldridge is passable.
Greenhouse yesterday was unpassable, and I've gone up to Fry Road. I couldn't take a left. I could have, but it was too risky, so I didn't take a left to come back towards I-10 on Fry Road, even from coming up Little York. Yeah. It was still pretty risky back there.
All of Timber Creek too. That's gone.
Starting to run some battery.
All right, buddy.
All right, man. Well, hey, be careful out there.
Yes, sir.
You might have the right idea on that, though. You go. How many more do you think in there?
Well, I know I just sent them out to get 8 because my buddy's on the jet ski right now, so he has 8 definite in the apartment complex right now.
Oh, that apartment?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all still fishing them out of the apartments back there. Oh, y'all are going way back in there then.
Yeah.
Wow. There you got it. All right, I'm gonna cut it and get it up.